$50 billion of Medicare fraud has recently been found by investigators. Meanwhile, Elon Musk Doge is celebrating that they found 2 instances of Social Security fraud. Great job, Elon. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the biggest ongoing frauds in healthcare that nobody's talking about, and it's in Medicare. Today, I'm going to talk about what Medicare Advantage is and the fraud associated with it, how upcoding in Medicare Advantage allows insurance companies to scam the government and people, the shocking numbers behind this fraud, and how to stop your family from getting caught in the scheme. First, what is Medicare Advantage? You may have heard of it from those uncomfortable commercials that air during Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune. I mean, how could he say no to this woman?
I'm talking about Medicare Part C, commonly called Medicare Advantage. We have traditional Medicare, which is only Medicare Parts A and B, but not Part C.
Medicare Advantage gives insurance companies a fixed amount per patient. The catch? They get paid more for sicker patients, and that's where the scam begins. Upcoding is when insurance companies make patients look sicker on paper than they actually are in real life. According to Wall Street Journal investigations, these companies are adding conditions that no doctor ever treated. They use 3 main tricks. One, they might send nurses to your home to find questionable diagnoses that a doctor wouldn't have signed off on. 2, they provide doctors with checklists of profitable diagnoses that incentivizes them to look for them and diagnose them. 3rd, they may review medical charts looking for any diagnosis that might result in higher payments. Here's an example. When patients move from traditional Medicare to United Healthcare Medicare, the most popular company in America, patients became 55% sicker on paper, an increase equivalent to every patient suddenly getting HIV and breast cancer. But only on paper, of course. The shocking numbers are this. Between 2019 and 2021, insurers received an extra $50 billion in payments for diagnoses that were never treated. And United Health Group is now possibly under a criminal investigation for fraud from the Department of Justice. But not from Doge. While this fraud costs taxpayers billions and billions, it also harms patients who suddenly have these phantom diagnoses on their records that they don't actually have. Not everything about Medicare Advantage is a risk, but please be cautious. The next time someone tells you, Alan, the Feldmans say we may be able to get additional benefits with a Medicare Advantage plan right here in our zip code with $0 monthly premiums. Just keep these things in mind to protect you and your family. Review your medical records and check for any inaccurate diagnoses. Be cautious about home health visits from your insurance company. They may be hunting for diagnoses. 3, ask your doctor directly if you're unsure about a diagnosis on your record. 4, consider whether traditional Medicare might be a better option than Medicare Advantage. You can even look into Medicare Supplement for the benefits. 5, if you do find suspicious diagnoses, report them to the Medicare Fraud hotline. Have you or someone you know found strange Medicare diagnoses records? Let us know in the comments.